Hello everyone,
Hello.
May and AJ here in beautiful Shreveport, Louisiana. We've only been here just over a month now. Moved here for my job. But anyway, we're enjoying life, making the best of everything. We do miss Florida, but sometimes we all got to do what we got to do. But anyway, May and I, we've been together now for the last over about 2.5 years, and yeah, so May's from Thailand originally. I'm from Detroit, Michigan originally, and yeah, so we've been on our journey together and loving life and enjoying every day and just making the best of every day. Everybody's got highs and lows in life, but you gotta make, when you're dealt lemons, we've all heard that, you gotta make lemonade. So it's always good just to enjoy, no matter what. Always stay positive. We appreciate all of you following us in our journey, and we would appreciate it very much. So just keep on, stay tuned. Remember to like and subscribe, and we do appreciate you very much. And just know that, hey, everything is, every day is a beautiful day, okay? We look forward to seeing you more, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.
มาล้างรถค่ะcar wash for $10
You too, thank you, sir.
like very nice car wash area
You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions.
ล้างรถที่อเมริกาดูได้เลยจ้ะขับรถเข้าไปข้างในเนี่ยโอเคแล้วก็ด้านซ้ายมือสีแดงๆก็จะเป็น that one gonna be vacuum area yeah you can speak to them
You can show the vacuum area. Amerishine Car Wash with
look.
free vacuums. $10 wash, that's their basic wash. That's all we're getting. And we haven't been to this one before, so we're gonna try it. This is close to where we live, so we're just gonna stop in here and go through this car wash. Maybe do a little vacuuming, and we'll get over to the restaurant and eat. So you can enjoy some of this car wash here, and then we'll come back at you when we get to the restaurant. What a beautiful day.
it's a nice bayou also on the right side of the car wash มันมีคลองอยู่มีต้นไม้สวยมาก very nice area too look at that nice bayou quiet peaceful listen on the right side now we are going inside the car washของอเมริกามันจะเป็นที่ล้างรถออโต้นะขับรถเข้าไปแล้วก็ล้อมันจะเข้าไปในเขาเรียกเป็นร่องๆอ่ะแล้วมันก็จะเลื่อนเคลื่อนไปเองน่าสนใจ very interesting car wash
The car was screaming, "Please clean me." It's time. Thankfully, the weather is just gorgeous today. It's sunny and just, yeah, it's quite nice.
Actually very nice workers here nice people right love everywhere we been in Louisiana they say hi smile
Yeah, very good.
fantastic
Just lovely.
now they clean the car and then we going inside มองดูนะจ๊ะมองเดี๋ยวมันก็จะมืดๆ gonna be a little gonna be very dark inside the machine but I would like to try the experience the cleaning around the car soaping
Oh yeah.
the video will be dark. As you know, we're going through the machine.
Okay. See you soon.
ประสบการณ์ล้างรถดูไว้ซะอาจจะมืดโซปปิ้งปั่นจะมีที่ปั่นแห้งข้างๆและข้างพิไซto do anything, only sit down and watch the machine working for us. Ceramic. Curb ceramic. Yeah, we are almost done. ที่ไทยมีไหมไม่รู้แบบนี้ทันสมัย very high technology here. I'm not sure if in Thailand they had one like this or not. And I know there is the human must to clean the car and wash the car. So this is very high technology. As you see, very noisy. There is a blower here. พัดลมตัวใหญ่เป่า blower. You see the light in front of us is green. That means good to go. And we're going to vacuuming ดูดฝุ่นในเครื่องเป็นที่ดูดฝุ่น
Might want to shut off.
Auto. I want to show them how to use this because in Thai we don't have this. In Thailand we don't have something like this. So I would like to show them how to vacuum inside the car.
Let's just go down here. All right. Maybe right here, huh?
Yeah. โอเคมาแล้วนะจ๊ะที่เครื่องดูดฝุ่นvacuum area.
It's going to be loud, so you might want to shut
Be
off.
loud. I want to show you. Let AJ show how to vacuum first. Okay. Look. Be loud. เอาเครื่องดูดฝุ่นดูดกระปุก Let's see. Okay. Now I am going to take one of this. I'm gonna do vacuum. Gonna be end of the video. Okay. Thank you for watching. Vacuuming. Alright we done วาคุมิงดูดฝุ่นเสร็จแล้วจ้า เสียงดัง very noisy very loud
Now time to get something to eat. Now the car is clean.
Car's clean.
All right, we'll see you at the restaurant.
Alright, we are here in Dan Garden for our lunch. It's like Vietnamese, Thai, and Chinese food. Alright, AJ there by the door. Let's walk in through.
Wait till we sit down too.
Okay. Yep. Just want to see. Okay. ข้างในร้าน inside Hello how are you yeah look nice restaurant we come back the same table we were last time okay okay you see the menu
Well, here we are at Dan's restaurant in Shreveport. Look at the beautiful food. I'm having some pho dak beer, which is a combination pho, and May is having some Thai
basil stir fry with
Stir-fry.
pork come with white rice
And there you go.
yeah come with white rice
So we're gonna enjoy this, and we'll get back with you. Hope you're all having a wonderful day.
yeah will
Bye
be
for
AJ lunch birthday happy birthday again getting young for another year
Thank you.
enjoy your fantastic lunch and we will tell you how much everything
Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you. Enjoy.